Alright folks, so we're going to be doing this valve cover gasket as I mentioned in the last video that you saw. Let's get to it. So first things first, as you can see I already removed all of them, but you get rid of all these 10mm nuts on the valve cover. There's 7 of them, so that's already taken care of, so let's pop this off. So first you're going to want to get rid of the old gasket. Alright, so I just pulled this kit out and I just realized that this did not come with any of the grommets, and those go over these holes right here along the outside of the valve cover and inside this little area right here. Alright, so we got our Honda Bond, and you're just going to get a good amount and just put it right up in the valley for these camshafts. There you go. Alright, and the last thing you're going to want to do is just make sure that your head is cleaned off. So we're going to go ahead and go through all of where the gasket's going to be applied to the head here, and hit it with some brake cleaner and make sure we get rid of all the extra gasket, like right here, and after that we can put the valve cover back on.
I'm gonna set your place on fire. Let's get higher.
So the right torque for these is about 7 foot-pounds, so not a lot at all. So I just got done torquing these down, and I found my grommet kit. I thought I bought one of these, but you know, I didn't look hard enough apparently. So I'm going to go ahead and take all these back off and then throw on the grommet kit, and then I am done with the valve cover job. Alright. So I got all my grommets that I found, and this job is going to be 100% complete now. So that is pretty cool. And they look nice. Nice and shiny. Shiny stuff for the new swap. Stoked. So again, these are going to be torqued down to about 7 or 8 foot-pounds. It's pretty much, you get it down tight enough where you start to feel like it's giving some resistance, and then it's just basically like a quarter of a turn after that. Is kind of what I reckon.
I'm gonna set your place on fire. Let's get higher.
Alright, that's it. That is how you replace a valve cover gasket on a B20, B18, B16. Any of those motors are going to all have the same valve cover gasket, I believe. At least the same process. So take that with you. Like I said, I think I mentioned anyways, next up I really don't have anything else. Oh, I got to do the main seal, the main rear seal on the block, and then after that it's time to figure out the wiring situation, sensors, and the fuel injection, basically everything to get this motor to run now that it's all sealed up and all the maintenance, like the required maintenance stuff, has been checked off. So far we've done the time belt, water pump, tensioner, valve cover gasket, intake manifold gasket. What else have we done on here? New spark plugs. Let's toss those in real quick. They already have a couple in there, but the other two fell out because they weren't torqued down all the way. Boom, installed, done. Was he? So thanks for watching. Yeah, stay tuned. That's pretty much the home stretch here for the swap. Just dialing in all the little all the small things. Hashtag Blink182. Peace out. I'll just put this in as the thumbnail. This is what our cars would look like if they were like super big block muscle cars. Sick. Oh, sick, dude. You got the big block B20 Honda power in the Civic wagon. What are you running? The Bluetooth transmission, bro?
I'm gonna set your place on fire. Let's get higher.